Kudus City, Central Java. I graduated from SMK Muhammadiyah Kudus, majoring in computer and networking. During my time at school, I learned the importance of accuracy, responsibility, and teamwork for both academic tasks and school activities. I was actively involved in several school organizations such as PRIPM SMK Muhammadiyah Kudus as a secretary, PBN SMK Muhammadiyah Kudus, and the Dewan Kerabat Hizbul Waton of SMK Muhammadiyah Kudus as a treasury. This experience helped me develop leadership skills, improve my communication abilities, and become more confident in organizing and handling responsibilities. I am proficient in using Microsoft Office application, especially Word and Excel. I am also capable of organizing documents, managing and efficiently, and communicating through email and basic digital platform. During my time as the secretary of IPM, I often create reports and official letters using Word. Additionally, as the treasury of DKHW, I regularly use Excel to record and manage cash payment reports. I am detail-oriented, disciplined, and eager to learn new things. I can work both independently and in a team. And I'm used to working with deadlines and managing multiple tasks efficiently. I'm very interested in applying for the administrative staff position because I believe it fits well with my background and skills. I am enthusiastic about growing professionally and contributing positively to your company if given the opportunity.
What position do you apply for and why do you think you can work for this position?
I apply for the position of administrative staff because I have the skill that match the responsibilities required. I am proficient in using Microsoft Word and Excel to create reports, manage data, and organize documents in a clear and structured way. I also have good time management, attention to detail, and strong communication skills, both written and verbal. I believe these abilities will help me contribute effectively to the administrative tasks in this company.
Okay, so what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is having strong numerical skills and being familiar with using Microsoft Excel, which I believe is very helpful in managing data and creating administrative reports. I also have good attention to detail and organizational skills. When I serve as the secretary of IPM, I regularly prepare and store letters, activity reports, and meeting minutes in a neat and systematic manner. This made me comfortable working with documents and maintaining organized records. My weakness is that I tend to get stressed easily, especially when I have many tasks with tight deadlines. This became more challenging when I was also involved in school organizations, which add to the workload. However, I have learned to manage this weakness by ensuring I get enough rest and avoiding procrastination so tasks don't pile up and become overwhelming.
Can you tell me about your working experience?
During my time at SMK Muhammadiyah Kudus, I was actively involved in several student organizations that helped me develop strong administrative skills. One of my most valuable experiences was serving as the secretary of IPM. In this role, I was responsible for drafting and organizing official letters, taking meeting minutes, and prepare detailed activity reports in a clear and systematic manner. This experience trained me to work in an organized, detail-oriented way and strengthen my skills in using Microsoft Word for various official documents. I also serve as the treasury of DKHW. My responsibilities include managing and recording the organization's finance documents, both income and expense, and producing regular financial reports. This role required the use of Microsoft Excel to manage and calculate financial data accurately. which helped me become proficient in handling spreadsheets and maintaining transparent financial records. This experience allowed me to become familiar with administrative tasks, report writing, scheduling, and working under deadlines. I also improved my ability to communicate clearly with others, both in writing and in person, while working responsibly as part of a team. With this background, I feel confident and will prepare to contribute to the role of administrative staff as I have hands-on experience in handling documents, organizing information, and supporting the smooth flow of administrative operations.
Tell me about one big problem you have encountered in school or in your life.
The biggest problem I ever faced in life was when I argued with my parents because I did not listen to what they said. It made me feel very sad and demotivated. Whenever I had the problem at school, I could not focus on studying because my mind was preoccupied with it. I usually keep quiet and avoid communicating when there was a problem. To overcome this, I realized that I had to be brave enough to apologize first and try to improve the communication between us. From this experience, I learned an important lesson. Always listen to and remember what your parents say. Never argue with them and always respect and appreciate them no matter what.
What contribution will you give to the company if I accept you to work here?
If I am accepted as an administrative staff, I will be committed to working neatly, accurately, and on time. I will apply my skills in Microsoft Word and Excel to assist in creating reports, managing data, and organizing administrative documents. My experience as the Secretary of IPM and Treasury of TKHW has trained me to handle documentation, financial reports, and teamwork efficiently. I am ready to learn and adapt in order to contribute my best to the company.
How much salary do you wish to have?
I hope to receive a salary that aligns with the regional minimum wage and the responsibilities of this position. However, I am open to further discussion.
Okay, thank you for today.